Exercise 8A, question number 1A. State the row of the Pascal triangle that you give. When you expand this one, you get 3c0 xdy 0 and 3c1 x square y and 3c2 x y square and 3c3 x naught y3. Now they want to know that C3, these values from which row of the Pascal triangles give. Okay, we'll look at it this one. To the Pascal triangle 1, then another one, then 1 plus 1, 2, then 2 guardians, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, and this one. So which row now? So 3, 0, 1 mean we know that always the first one and the last one is 1. And the second one and the one before second, one before last. 3C3 is 1. And second one, this is 3. And one before last also, the same will match it. So which row this is going to be? First, second, third, fourth. So we can find those coefficients in fourth rows. So this is basically 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, and this one is 3C3. If this is 3, the Pascal triangle you want to check 3 plus 1, which is 4. There are 4 terms. So answer is which row? Row is 4. Part B, 3x minus 7 equal 15. So when we expand this one, the coefficient from which row we can find? This is 15. So it's going to be 15 plus 1, 16th row. See, 2x plus 1 over half n. So which row? N plus 1. N plus 1 row. So when you expand this one, in which Pascal, the coefficient you can find from which Pascal triangle row, that is going to be one more than this value, n plus 4 plus 1, which is n plus 5. Question number 2, we have to write the expansion. We start with 4c 0 x4 y0 and 4c1 x3 y1 4c2 x2 y2 4c3 x y3 4c4 x0 y4. Now we know that The 404 is going to be 1. Always the first one is 1. And y0 as it is. The second coefficient is matched with this number 4x cubed and y. And the last one is always 1. So this is going to be y4. And this one is going to be again 4xy cubed. Now how many missings? The middle one is missing now. We want to find the coefficient of this middle. Simply we'll find 4c2 factorial 4 factorial 2 4 minus 2 different. It's going to be 4 2 factorial 2 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 2 times 1 and 2 times 1. So this is going to be 2 1 2 1 cancel out. Then 12 divided by 2 which is 6. 6 x square y square. We can check with this. The coefficient is right. 1 1 1. This is 2 guards. 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1 1. Yeah, 1 4 6 4 and 1. P Pascal times 5. If it is 5, 5c 0, then P5 Q 0, then 5c1 P4 Q1, 5c2 P3 Q square. And you see this one is matched with this one and addition is 5. 5c3 Q3 P2 5c4 Q4 P1 and 5c5 P0 Q5. Now we know that always the first one is 1 and this is Q not equal 1. Hence 1 times P5, 1 is P5. This is always 5. And we know last one is 1, Q5. And 1 before last one is matched with this one, 5P Q4. Now how many missing? 5C2, 5C3. 5C2 factorial 5 factorial 2 5 minus 2 factorial 5 factorial 3 factorial 2. This is going to be 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 2 1. This is cancel out and this 3 and this 3 cancel out, so it is not a good way of doing it. 5 4 3 2 1 and 3 2 1 and factorial 2 mean 2 1. This is good. So 20 divided by 2, 10. 10 P5 Q square. Now we'll find 5C3. 5C3 we'll find from the Pascal triangle. 1 and then 1 plus 1, 2. Always 1 on top, this is 2 bottom. And then 1, 1, this is 3, 2 plus 3, and then 1, 1, then 3, 1 was 4, this is going to be 6, and 4, and 1, then this is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So it's going to be, this is 5. I want to check the Pascal angle row 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. Right, so then 1, 5, 10, and the next one should be 10. P square, Q, and 5, and 1. A minus B to the power 3, you can't expand. You only can expand A plus minus B to the power 3. So you want to make in the middle plus, and we want to bring right as in. Now it's fine. We can put the binomial expansion. For this one, we can't put the binomial expansion. Now 3 C 0 A3, then minus B 0. Second one, 3C1 A square minus B 1. 3C2 A cube minus B square. Then 3C3, I think it's wrong. A3, A2, this is going to be A1. Addition has to be 3, and this is A0 minus B cube. Now we'll find from Pascal triangle what are, okay, this value I know 1, this is I know 3, so 1 A cube minus B to the power 0 is 1, plus this is I know the second value match with this one, 3 A square minus B, and last one also 1, so this is going to be minus B cube times 1, and 1 before last is always matched with this one, 3A minus B square. And now we know the coefficients. Now we'll simplify. This is A cube, this is minus 3A square B, because this is minus B square become plus B, then plus 3AB square, and this is minus B to the power 3 mean minus B times B cube, minus times minus plus times minus, so minus B cube. Question D, this is going to be 3C0 x4 40, and 40 is 1, so we will avoid that one. No, we'll write actually 40 and 3C1 x3, now it is stud, and 41 3C2 x square 4 square, and 3C3 4 3, okay, wrong, this is 3, I start with 4, 3 3 303 x3, and this is going to be 241, this is going to be x 3c0 x340 3c1 x square 41 3c2 4 square x and 3c3 4 cube and x0. Now we know from earlier this is going to be 1 x cubed times 1. This is 3x squared times 4. This is also we know 3x 4 square 16, and this is going to be 1 x0 is 1 and 4 cube is 64. So x cube 12x square plus 48x plus 64. So I can't put the binomial here, then I have to rewrite this one. 2x plus minus 3 to the power 4. Now we start with 4c0. This terms 2x to the power 4 and minus 3 0. Then 4c1. This term 2x to the power 3 minus 3 1. 4c2. 2x to the power 2. 4 3 2, it is reducing, minus 3 square, then 4c3 2x square minus 3 cube and 4c4 2x, this is 2x1, 2x cube minus 3 to the power 4. So this is going to be, we know 1 always, so 2x4 minus 3 to the power 3 1. So that's leave as it is. We know the one after the second one also have this one, 4 times 2x cube minus 3 to the power n. And the last one also we have 1. So this is 2x naught is 1 minus 3 to the power 4. 1 before last, that is also matched with this value. 4 2x minus 3 cube. And this is the only value we don't know, 4c2. We work out last time 4c2 is 6. Or we can work out again. Factorial 4 factorial 2, 4 minus 2. Factorial 4 factorial 2 times factorial 2. Mean 4 3 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is 2. This is going to be 6. 6 times 2 x square minus 3 square. So this is going to be 16x4, then this one minus 3 times 4 minus 12, then 12x cube, which is minus 12. This is going to be 2 cube and x cube. So minus 12 times 2 cube mean 8x cube. So this is 96x cube. So the answer for this one is minus 96x cube. And let's see this one. This is 6 2x square minus 3 cube. So this is going to be minus 27 and this is 6. This is going to be 2 square x square. 6 times 4 times x square times 27. So this is going to be 24 times minus 27 x square. It means this is going to be minus 2. Actually, this is a square one. I made a mistake. Here, square, this is 9. This is 9. So 9 times 24 x square. 216 plus 216 x square. Then this one, 4 times 2x times minus 3 cube mean minus 27. 4 times 8 times minus 27 x. This is minus 216 x, and that is plus 81. Minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3 is 81, minus 9 to minus, minus plus time minus minus time, so it's minus plus 81. A plus 2 to the power 5. So this is going to be 5c 0 a 5 2 5 5c 1 2 0 5c 1 2 1 5 a 4. Then 5c 2 2 2 a 3 5c 3 2 3 a 2 5c 4 2 4 a and 5c 5 a 0 2 5 to the power 5. Now this one, we know this value is 1, this value is 5, and this value is 1, and this value is 5. What is 5c2 and 5c3? Pascal triangle 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1 1 5 10 10 5 1. So this one is 10 and this one is 10. So this is going to be 201. This is just a5. Then this is 5 times 2 times a4. This is 10 times 2 square 4 times a cube, and this is 10 times 2 to the power 8 8 times a square. This is 5 times 2 to the power 4 16 times a. Then this is 2 to the power 5 32. So a5 10 a4 40 10 times 4 40 a cube 80 a square plus 80a plus 30, so 16 times 5. Can't put the binomial exponents for this one, so I had to rewrite plus minus 4 4. Now I can do it. 4c0 3x to the power 4 minus 40 and 4c1 3x 3 minus 4 1 4c2 3x2 minus minus 4 square and 4c3 3x minus 4 cube and 4c4 3x0 minus 4 to the power 4. This one is 1, this one is 4, this one is all 1 and this one is 4. And this is I know from the Pascal triangle, or you can find out this is going to be 6. Now this is 3 4 x4 plus this is 4 times 3 3 x3 minus 4 to the power 1 is minus 4, and this is 6 times this is 6 times 3 square x square times minus 4 square 16, and if it is negative I leave as it is. It's going to be a confusion. So this is going to be 4 again, 3 minus 4 to the power and x. This is going to be minus 64, and this is going to be 1. This is 0 and 64 times. This is going to be 256. Now this is 3 4 mean 81x4. Then this is 4 times 9 times 4 minus, because this is minus 36 times 7. This is 27 times 4 times 4. 432 x cubed. This is going to be, when you multiply 6 times 9 times 16, you will get 864 x squared, and this is 768 x plus 256. O C 0. I can't do this one. You have to change 2x plus minus 3y to the power 4. Now I can do 4c0 2x to the power 4 minus 3y0, then 4c1 2x3 minus 3y1, 4c2 2x square minus 3y square, 4c3 2x square 2x minus 3y, 4c4 2x 0 minus 3y to the power 4. So this one is 1, this one is 4, this one is 1, and this one is 4. We found out this is 6, the previous sums. So 2 4x4, this is going to be 1, and this is 4 times 2 cube x cube minus 3 times y, and this is 6. 2 square x square minus 3 square y square. This is 4 times 2 x minus 3 to the power cube minus 27 y cube. Then this is going to be 81 y4. So this is 16x4. This is going to be a minus. I can see minus sign. 2 square 8 times 4 32 times 3 96x cube plus this is going to be positive 1 6 4 9. This is going to be 216 x square y square, and this is going to be 4 to 27. Then this is going to be minus 216 y cube and 81 y4.